Alright, good day viewers. I remain my humble self, Otemu teaching on YouTube. I encourage you to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu Maths Success. This is Olympiad Maths. Can you solve this maths? Can you just listen? I have two videos. The last one is more important. So don't just watch one. Watch the two examples I want to give you under this solving. Now, it says if 5 raised to power y, dot means this dot you see, it means times. Dot 25 raised to power y is equals to 50. Alright, is equal to 50. Here is 5. Let me express here in the same 5. So here we 5 raised to power 2, that will give us 25. So 5 raised to power y dot 5 raised to power 2 bracket y is equals to 50. And take note, a raised to power n times n is a raised to power n. A raised to power n. Alright, now here will be 5 raised to power y dot 5 raised to power 2y is equals to what? 50. So we are going to apply multiplication law of indices. A raised to power n times a raised to power n is a raised to power n plus n. The a you pick one. 5. I will not add the power. So therefore, you have 5 raised to power y plus 2y is equals to 50. Is equals to what? 50. What is now y plus 2y? Is 5 raised to power 3y. 1y plus 2y is equals to 3y. Is equals to 50. Okay, what we have to do here is to take the log of both sides. Now, if you take the log, or you say ln, you can say ln, or you can say log. Log 5 raised to power 3y is equal to log 50. And take note of the product law of theorem of logarithm. Log n raised to power n, the power will come down, is n log n. So this will come down. That will not come down. Okay? So here will be 3y log 5 is equals to log 50. Okay? If that one is 0, I will divide through by log 5. So if I divide through by log 5, you will be divided by log 5 also. This will cancel this. So you are left with 3y is equals to log 50 over log 5. Is equals to log 50 over log 5. And I want to make y the subject of the formula. So I will multiply both sides by 1 over 3 to remove that 3. So 1 over 3 times 3y is equal to 1 over 3 times log 50 over log 5. So this will cancel this. You are left with y. Y is now log 50 over 3 log 5. So what is is now log 50? The log of 50 will give you 1.6990. Okay? 1.6990 by approximation. Now, here will be 3 times. What is log 5? It's the same thing, but here we now start with 0. It's 0.6990. So now, y will be 1.6990 over. So what is now 3 times 0.6990? It gives us 2.097. Okay? We are dividing now. 1.6990 divided by 2.097, it gives us 0.8102. Okay, let me approximate to 2 decimal places or 2 significant figures. So y by approximation is 0.81. That is to 2 decimal places, or you can also call it to 2 significant figures. I told you, stay tuned. I want to give you another example. All right, let's look at this example number 2. Is synonyms to example number 1. So the same working method we have applied in example number 1, that is what we apply in example number 2. 5 raised to the power y times 5 raised to the power y is equal to 60. And I said it before, I said a raised to the power n times a raised to the power n is a raised to the power n plus n. So we have to apply it here. So here is 5 raised to the power y plus y is equal to 60. And what is y plus y? Is 5 raised to the power 2y is equal to 60. So let's take the log of both sides. So log 5 raised to the power 2y is equal to log 60. Okay? If that one is that, let us now go further. And I've also explained that log a raised to the power b is b log a. A log a raised to the power b is b log a. So log 5 raised to the power 2y is 2y log 5 is equals to log 60. Is equals to log 60. Let's make 2y the subject of the formula. So I will divide both sides by log what? 5. I will divide both sides by log what? 5. This will die with this. 2y is equal to log 60 over log 5. Now, I want to make y again. First I made 2y. Now I want to make y the subject of the formula. I will multiply both sides by 1 over 2, which is 1 over 2 times 2y is equal to 1 over 2 times log 60 over log 5. Okay, this will cancel this, you are left with y is equals to log 60. These two will multiply because log 60 times 1 is log 60. Now here will be 2 log 5. Alright? Now, if that is 2 log 5, y is equals to, what is log 60? Is 1.7782. 1.7782. Here will be 2 times log 5 is 0.6990. So y is equal to 1.7782 all over. Okay, let's use 2 to multiply 0.6990. It gives us 1.398. 1.398. So let us divide. What is now 1.7782 divided by 1.398? It will give us what? 1.271. Okay, 9 is recurring. So let me just say by approximation, y is 1.27 to 3 significant figures or to 2 decimal places. I encourage you again to subscribe to my YouTube channel at Otemu. Man's success. God bless you.